Today's video is going to be very simple. I'm going to pop the hood on this and show you how I use the factory GM truck reservoir and where I put it on this scrub body Chevy. So I wanted to make this video because I do get questions about this truck and this swap quite often, and you know, it's kind of an update video too. I still have my vice grips on my battery terminal. I need to fix that. I don't think it's going to be permanent. Hopefully it's not, but my wiring is pretty much complete. Just needs a couple things sorted out. Need to mount the computer. I'm actually going to build me a box for it here. But the reservoir, this is the stock truck reservoir that you will find on most Gen 3s, Gen 4s, you know, mostly the older Gen 3s is this style. And the reservoir goes down to the water pump, the hose does, and then tees off to your heater core. Now, if you got an LS swap and you're doing one in the scrub body, you can use your factory radiator with a factory reservoir. Ain't gonna give you no issues. I tried that. I went into a tiny bit of overheating issues just because my clutch fan was bad, and I had this radiator from another truck, which is right here, and it's from a 2002 Avalanche, and it fits perfect. I got to build a bracket to come over and all nice. I also need a nice shroud because this has been cut on for the factory radiator. That's how come I'm going to make an update video once I get my whole coolant system and how I did it done. This is just on how I mounted the reservoir and give you some tips on it. The main tip is when you start mounting this is you got these springs here on the hood. These springs come down here, and if you got this too close, those springs will hit your reservoir. Ask me how I know. I know because I tried. Now, I did make a bracket. This is my bracket here. Not the best welds, but once I get everything done the way I want it, you know, it'll work out fine. I drilled a hole here because I am going to run my AC and stuff probably through here. And I'm going to tie it down right here and then run it on up through the radiator because I do plan on putting AC on this truck. So that's how come this bracket is kind of built like this. You know, kind of into an L shape. Makes it nice and solid. Get a close up. Try to get a better angle. There we go. On the back side, I just drilled a hole into the thing here. I just got this loose. It's still loose though, because I'm going to actually build me a little piece of metal, like a piece of pipe, and shim this up a little just to help hold that up at an angle. You know, put a shim in the back so this sets up more straight, you know, just so it looks good. You know, little details is what matters. I think once AC is in here, everything is cleaned up, this is all painted up, this is going to be a great, you know, flop the way it looks. I'm trying to track me down another radiator shroud and replace that before I do the update video on exactly how I did this coolant system, and I want it to be fully done before the next video. So all these hoses welded, you know, underneath this, and it's all cleaned up, tidied up, that fixed with a shim, you know, and go into more detail. But if you're looking to just put a factory reservoir in one of these trucks, it can be done. You know, just modify your bracket down here and make sure you got enough clearance for your hood hinge. Other than that, it's a great flop. It works out good. I still need to tackle the clutch too. You can see the reservoir zip tied. There's actually a lot of zip ties on this truck. Yeah, so hopefully you've enjoyed this update video. If you're looking to do this and this video helped, maybe it saved you from building a bracket and then realizing that your hood will slam onto it. Or maybe you went ahead and built a bracket and your hood's off, and then now you realize you got that bracket. Just let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful. I enjoy hearing from everybody. If you're new, get subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. These hoods don't want to close, do it? Ugh, there we go.